Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday, guys. Good morning, or should I say good afternoon? Look, because I just woke up. Oh, that was my little. Oh gosh, I'm gonna throw it to my cabinet. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Happy Tuesday afternoon, guys. I am up and I'm actually doing work from home today. No outside work, so I'm actually doing some work from home today, guys. And I am printing on demand a t-shirt using sublimation. So that's what I'm doing right now. If you're new to making shirts, you may not know what sublimation is. It's a form of printing that uses sublimation ink, which needs to gravitate to polyester materials, or sublimate, like a cup or a blank white bag. Those are all something that's sublimated, not sublimated, something that's a sublimate that you can actually transfer image on. And if you go on Amazon anyway, you can look at all sublimation materials or sublimation products that you can use to print on. That being said, I just want to do a quick little vlog, guys, and just because I'm getting off track. I could probably save that for my business channel, Successful Wear LLC, on YouTube. But I digress. I'm just going to do a little vlog, guys, and just this is for the young youth out there today. I remember back in the days, growing up when I was younger, younger kids used to be more helpful to their parents. Younger kids used to do a lot more for their parents. Parents didn't really have to do things back in the days. The kids would help you out. The kids would do house chores. The kids would do a lot of things. These days, these kids are too privileged. These days, these kids, and that's probably our fault, because we probably did that ourselves. I know I probably contributed it to myself. I always wanted to be the type of mom who was a stay-at-home mom, who cooked, who had meals 3 times a day, and I still do that. But I also wanted my children to pick up my weight when I get tired of doing those things. I find myself constantly having to talk to my kids and tell them these things over and over again. If you're a mom and you can feel my pain, I'm pretty sure you understand this. When kids want to do something, they do what they got to do. But when it comes to things like house chores or things that are of importance in the house, it becomes where you have to consistently keep telling them or drill it into their heads. Some kids, let me not speak for all kids, because then there's some youth out there, or some younger individuals, younger adults, who get up, they help their parents are ailing or sick or can't get around, they're there to help their parents. They're not sitting watching their parents barely get around and not helping them. The parents can barely catch their breath, but you're sitting there not helping your parents. I got to be honest with you guys. You guys got to help us out. We're getting older. I know I am. I just turned 51. I remember it was a time where I could get around and do all this stuff. But it's like now, each and every day, in order to do what I have to do, and I even work outside of the house. And like I said, right now I'm doing some inside work. So everything, when you get older, requires you to build yourself up in order to do that. That comes with exercise. That comes with meditation. That comes with relaxing. Whatever you do to make yourself feel comfortable to do it and go out into the world. Well, as a person of 51 years old, I have to exercise every day. I have to eat right every day. I have to take care of my body. I have to get the allotted amount of, what amount of sleep I need in order so that my heart and stuff correctly acts like it's supposed to. You know, don't get high blood pressure, HBP, none of that stuff. So to say all that, I'm just going to end this vlog or reel, whatever you want to call it, because it's not going to be that long. Like I said, I just want to get to the point, but I feel like this is one of those videos that will hit and people understand. Youth of today, help your parents out more. Help us out more. We have been through COVID. We have been through all these new things. Some of us have, health problems. Some of us have health issues. Help your parents out. Don't make your parents do all the stuff that y'all could be doing, because we older. Haven't we done enough? Now y'all are older. Y'all can start helping out. Makes sense, doesn't it? We need to get things back the way they used to. Kids used to have to clean up. Kids used to have to do, all kind of stuff. These days, kids don't do that. All they have to do is this. I do that too, but I do what I got to do. Get the message? Kids, get it together. Those that are not.